VXFs, the VXFs. Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. This is pretty cool. You have your amp rack here and not on the box, so less vibration right there. That's a good idea.
I can find and put it.
I like it.
I got a toolbox and I was planning on putting it in the toolbox.
And it's a big lift. How big is your lift? 6 inch? All right, try to get in. So could you tell me your name real quick and what's in here, man?
My name is Elliot Foldrum. I got two SKV2 2500s. I got the SCADA Q. I set at 6 volts. And I got two Scar VXF 15s. They're D4s. They're wired down to parallel. So with an amp strap, they're 0.5 per amp.
Okay. So are you strapped together, not getting matched? Okay. Very nice. And your electrical, how is it?
I got there's 3 back here. There's 3 95 amp hour AGMs, and I got 1 up front. And then I'm working on getting an alternator still.
Okay. So stock alt?
Yeah.
Did you do the big 3?
Oh yeah. I got a big 4, I think.
Big 4.
Yeah.
All right. Sweet.
And the box is 6.6 cubes. It's tuned to 33 hertz. I'm peaking at 37, doing a 53.2 on the dash.
That's good.
It's getting there.
And then of course, when you get the alternator, that might help even more.
Oh, yeah.
And the ports on this end?
Yeah.
Oh, I see it down there. I'll see it after too. Awesome. Can I see the port real quick? And oh, who built the box?
Peyton Johnson.
Peyton. Okay. Nice job.
They seem to keep the windows and stuff shut.
They'll keep opening. Yeah, they just pop out. Looks good. 2 15s. Were they ZVX or the VXFs? The VXFs.
Somebody lost them. Somebody might have dropped their keys in here.
That's not me. What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walker we just got of Elliot's system. About to show y'all a pretty impressive demo from only 2 15-inch subs, and this Tacoma is definitely doing some pretty amazing pressure and flex, so you got to stay tuned. If you haven't already, go ahead and give him a like as well as comment. Let him know some positive things you like about his system. Did a really good job getting everything installed the way it is, and he made an optimized box size to fit for the amount of power he was running. Running these amplifiers down to 1/2 ohm strappable. So I'll explain that real quick. I don't do a lot of explanations on wiring, but he has 2 dual 4 ohm subwoofers you can wire down to 1 ohm together. So dual 4 times dual 4 drops down to 1 ohm together. These amplifiers are rated at 1 ohm each, but if you strap them, that would be at 2 ohms. So if you run it at 2 ohm and you drop it to 1 ohm strap, that would run each amplifier down to 1/2 ohm. So that's how he has these amplifiers ran at 1/2 ohm, because he has them strapped. Where you strap, recommended amplifiers usually run them at 2 ohm, but he has it at 1 that lowers his impedance. So getting the most bang out of his buck out of his amplifiers. The SK series can handle those. Don't recommend running the Scar RP series at 1/2 ohm, but the SK definitely handles it. And he's about to do an electrical upgrade with the alternator. So anyway, thank y'all for watching my daily cardio videos. We're about to get to an impressive demo. He's going to tear up his Tacoma. Wife's got some nice outside flex, as well as I got a good bit of subwoofer flex on the inside. Consider subscribing for daily cardio videos, and I hope you'll enjoy this demo from Elliot. Did a good job, man. Enjoy, everyone. All right, looks good. Yeah, I'd love to hear this, man. nice flex, low, mid-20s into the 40s. That's really good. Awesome. I appreciate it. And what was your name, man?
Elliot Foden.
Ellie. Okay.
Somebody lost him.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.